one-owner custom-built home. Complete with first-floor owner suite. Formal sitting and dining room. Hardwood floors. Open floor plan offers gourmet kitchen with oversized island overlooking family room and pool area. Two-way stairs. 3 additional bedrooms, loft and media room upstairs. Inground saltwater pool. Enjoy family cookouts with open deck, covered porch, hot tub. Loaded with many upgrades, well for lawn. Oversized 3-car side loading garage west/lots of cabinets built in. Home has been in many magazines. Located just 1 block from the community pier, with gazebo, canoes you can check out. This riverfront, golf course, resort-style community offers amenities you love right here. Golf, volleyball, swimming pools, clubhouse, waterfront parks, playgrounds, miles of walking and biking trails, and a full-time activities director offer year-round fun for the whole family. This master plan